Today we are going to learn about conversation practice of all past tenses in English language. आज हम इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज के जो पास्ट टेंसेस हैं डिफरेंट पास्ट टेंसेस उनकी कन्वर्सेशन प्रैक्टिस यानी पास्ट टेंसेस में जो कन्वर्सेशन प्रैक्टिस सिंपल सेंटेंसेस के साथ होनी चाहिए आज हम वो करेंगे. लेट्स स्टार्ट अबाउट I woke up in the morning at 5 a.m. I offered my prayer first of all. I went for a walk at 6 a.m. I made beds of my family members. When I reached home after walk, I made breakfast for my family members. We all took breakfast at 8 a.m. My children went to school after breakfast. Rest of my family members went to their offices. I washed dishes. I washed clothes. I made lunch for my family members. We took lunch all together at 2 p.m. I went to market after lunch. I bought fruits and vegetables. We slept for some time afternoon. We all drank tea at 6 p.m. My children did their homework. We ate dinner at 9 p.m. all together. We watched TV program. I made beds for my family members. I made beds for my family members. I locked the doors. I turned off lights. I checked my social media. We all slept at 10 p.m. I was waking up in the morning at 5 a.m. I was offering my prayer at 5:30 a.m. first of all. I was going for a walk at 6 a.m. I was making breakfast for my family. We were taking breakfast at 8 a.m. My children were going to school after breakfast. Rest of my family members were going to their offices. I was washing dishes after breakfast. I was washing clothes of all my family members. I was making lunch. We all were taking lunch at 2 p.m. After lunch, I was going to market. I was buying some fruits and vegetables. We were sleeping afternoon for some time. We were drinking tea at 6 p.m. My children were doing their homework. We were taking dinner at 9 a.m. We were watching TV program. I was making bets for my family members. I was checking my social media or emails. I was locking doors. I was turning off lights. We were sleeping at 10 p.m. It was past continuous tense. Now, I had woken up early in the morning at 5 a.m. I had offered my prayer first of all. I had gone for a walk at 6 a.m. I had made breakfast for all of us. We all had taken breakfast at 8 a.m. After breakfast, my children had gone to school. Rest of my family members had gone to their offices. I had cleaned my house. I had washed dishes. I had washed clothes. I had prepared lunch for my family members. We all had eaten lunch at 2 p.m. After lunch, I had gone to market. I had bought fruits and vegetables from market. We had slept for some time afternoon. We had drunk tea at 6 p.m. I had cooked dinner. We had taken dinner at 9 p.m. My children had done their homework. We had watched TV program. I had checked my social media. I had made beds for my family members. I had locked doors of my home. I had turned off lights. We had slept at 10 p.m. Children had been playing football since 2 p.m. Children had been flying kites for 3 hours. Mother had been washing dishes for 1 hour. She had been washing clothes since 3 p.m. They had been working in office since 9 a.m. It was past perfect continuous tense.